In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark no-shows on Calendly, a vital task for anyone managing appointments and wanting to maintain accurate records of client engagements, whether you're a seasoned professional familiar with Calendly or new to using this scheduling tool. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by navigating to the official Calendly website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a sleek, user-friendly interface designed to make your scheduling tasks as seamless as possible. But before we can dive into the specifics of marking no-shows, we need to access your account. To do this, click on the Login button located on the home page. This will take you to a page asking for your login credentials. For those of you who have linked your Google account to Calendly, you'll find the Continue with Google option incredibly convenient. Selecting this option streamlines the login process, as it uses your Google account information to log you in, bypassing the need to remember an additional password. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one that's associated with your Calendly profile. Once you've made your selection, proceed by clicking on the Continue button to finalize the login process. With access to your account secured, it's time to focus on the task at hand, marking no-shows. From the main dashboard, head over to the Meetings section. This area of your Calendly account is dedicated to managing your scheduled appointments, and it's where you'll find the list of upcoming and past meetings. Within the Meetings section, you'll notice several options. To locate the appointment you need to update, click on the Past tab. This will bring up a list of all the meetings that have already happened, providing the perfect overview to find the specific event you're looking for. Now, carefully scroll through the list of past events until you find the one corresponding to the no-show you need to mark. Don't rush this part. Ensuring you're marking the correct meeting is crucial for maintaining accurate records. Upon locating the right meeting, you'll notice several options available for managing that specific event. Look for the Mark as No-Show option. Clicking on this will update the appointment status, indicating that the person did not attend the scheduled meeting. This step is particularly important as it helps you keep a neat and honest record of your appointments, which can be beneficial for future reference or when assessing client reliability and punctuality. And there you have it. You've successfully marked an appointment as a no-show in Calendly. This process, while straightforward, plays a significant role in the effective management of your appointments and professional engagements. Remember, keeping an accurate record of no-shows not only helps in managing your schedule more efficiently, but also provides valuable insights into client behavior patterns, which can inform future scheduling strategies. Before we wrap up, a quick tip to enhance your Calendly experience. Take the time to explore the platform's other features. Calendly offers a wide range of functionality designed to optimize your scheduling process, including automated reminders that can help reduce the number of no-shows in the first place. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to mark no-shows on Calendly. Whether you're a business owner, a professional managing multiple appointments, or someone looking to streamline their scheduling process, Calendly and its features can significantly contribute to your operational efficiency. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.